Hi everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm going to show you the Unbeliever brow again, my new technique. I'm going to show you the cat lip as requested by Sini Chandler, one of my viewers that commented and asked me to do that. And a lot of new products. I'm wearing a different foundation. I'm wearing different color lips. I'm doing pink nudes and a new eyeshadow just to keep it interesting for you and show you some different looks. So if you haven't subscribed yet and the banner is still red, click on it and press the bell and you will be in the loop. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share the video too. I hope you enjoy. So this is the e.l.f. primer. It comes in all different shades. It's excellent. It's as good as the NYX primer that I recommend also. Today we're going to use different products. I'm going to spray with Allegra Chetty Beauty Mist. And I'm going to let my face marinate. I have on vitamin C serum, and niacinamide and zinc, and retinol and squalene. I'm going to try to finish up the products that I've already been using, but I still have more in the Color Science that was given to me. Today, I used this gray wet cement by Sally Hansen. Yeah. So my nails look decent for the video. Whoop. Yeah, with any cheap sunscreen, sometimes I buy from the dollar store, I use for my forearms and my hands, and when I get in the car I put that on if I forget to put it on in the house. Now we're going to let that marinate. We're going to do a pink nude lip, and we're going to use a different foundation today. And just like Natalie, the Beauty Diva, I use the IT CC cream as a sunscreen also, and to make my sheer foundations look like full coverage. I know Natalie does it too. So I would like to just dry this up a little. I'm just basically drying the sunscreen. I let the serums dry by itself so they would absorb. And yes, I'm wearing a turban again today because I'm getting ready to get dressed. It's much easier. I'm wearing my arm sleeves. These are called Let's Slim, and I'll put links down to all the arm sleeves that I could find on Amazon. They're just fabulous. In the summer, I'll wear them just to cover my forearms so I don't get sunspots from the sun. And also hold the flab. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyes now. I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's a mess. I need a new one. This is the first one. Let's see. Okay, we'll just start off with a light beige all over color to get it back to probably the way it looked before I put the primer on. I think we're going to do Victoria Beckham today. Victoria Beckham. This is called her Crystal Infused Eyeshadow. It is a gorgeous product. Beautiful. Really beautiful product. Look at that. Oh, it's very strong. All right, I'm going to try it, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. I think I should use a brush that had the other product on. And we're going to do the Unbeliever brow today too. And it comes with a little stopper. Let's just go for a brown. Always tap. So you haven't seen me do a dark smoky eye in a long time. I've been doing my eyelids lighter. So my microwave broke this week and it's over the range. I had to go to Lowe's, get a new one. Now they delivered it, but they didn't install it. Now I have to wait for them to install it. So I forgot how to live without a microwave. I go in the kitchen and I'm ready to put something in the microwave and I go, oops, it's not there. I just want to get the wrinkles out of my shirt. I just take my water and alcohol bottle and I just rub it with anything that's clean. See? And I get the wrinkles out. I don't like to iron anymore. I don't know about you, But I'm not going to work every day, so even my dry cleaner was mad when I stopped going there. I said, well, I'm not working in an office anymore. I don't need to get my clothes dry cleaned. I don't wear clothes that need dry cleaning anymore. You don't come here anymore. Well, because I'm not working. That was years ago. See, it's a little sparkly, but not crazy. All right, let's do under the eye. I'm going to do the dark burgundy because that'll look a little more pink. I'm going to put this. This is the Burgundy by Infallible. It's a really nice pencil. But this, because it's burgundy, you can actually go on the whole waterline. And you could even go below. This burgundy is worth getting. I hate to be interrupted in the middle of my makeup because I think it's the worst look. The worst look you could have is doing your makeup in the middle of it. The doorbell rings. Oh, shoot. Luckily, nobody's coming here now. Okay, let's see. This is darker. Now, you see with an eye this dark, I am going to be doing a very nude lip. I'm going to put my It's Easy cream, just a little, and just for that extra insurance of coverage and sunscreen. Now, you see this brush I'm using? This is a dupe for a $40 amazing brush. And this is an amazing one too. Jacqueline collab on Amazon, and it's $49. And when I read through the comments, I read that so many people were buying this brush by Color. It's amazing. And you just go like this. You swipe your foundation because it comes to a point. It goes under your eyes, around your nose. It's amazing. Look at that. It's a great, 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 great brush. I highly recommend it. And this one is like $4. This is worth buying for everybody you know as a present. I'm telling you, I just love this. Now we're going to use a foundation. I'm not even sure if they have it anymore, but by Lush Cosmetics. Lush Products, which is all man-made ingredients, and this is a fresh handmade cosmetic. It's dark yellow color supplement, multi-purpose base color for darker skin tones with predominantly yellow tones. And they even have a picture of the salesperson that packed it up. So it's a perfect color for me. I'm going to take my Color. See how easy? Oh my goodness, so easy. So my microwave broke. It was over the range. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I'll just get a counter microwave, and instead I'll get one of those hoods that I used to have in Vegas. But when I came home, I realized that I'd have to remove a cabinet. My kitchen's so small, I need every cabinet. So I ordered the gallery Frigidaire to match the stove, and now I'm waiting for them to put it in. But I'm lost without a microwave. I don't know about you, if you don't use it because you think it's not healthy, but I love a microwave. I don't stand in front of it, and my mom cannot stand in front of it because she has a pacemaker. So don't stand in front of it if you have a pacemaker or a heart problem. But mine is up high, and it's gigantic. It's gigantic. I cook my pasta in there. I cook my potatoes. I'm a quick cook in the kitchen. I work like lightning. I'm fast. Like that. And my microwave helps me. All right. Now I can dry my face a little bit. Let's do concealer. This time we're going to do Boing Hydrating Concealer. You see, the outer rim is all hydration, and the center is the concealer. So I'm going to go here and here. I think I have enough foundation on. Isn't that wild? I think it's so funny. All right, I'm going to do blush because I need a little color. And I'm going to use this Lancome with the Lancome. Ooh! All right, so I'm going to use Mr. Right by Too Faced. It's another soft brush. And this is good, this bronzer. It gives me a little pink, a little peach, and a bronze at the same time. Contour and everything. Alright. You'll see, it's going to be okay. I brought these pinks. This is a L'Oreal Infallible, a favorite for 100 years. This is my matte inks, and this color is Dreamer, number 10. Gorgeous. This is Ruler, number 80, and matte inks. And then this is Metallic Peony. Let's see this one. Let's see. This is Dreamer. Okay, I see the difference. This is Lover, 15. What else? This is Seductress, 65. And this is number 80, Ruler. This is my Infallible To Be Treasured. Oh, look at that. It's a gorgeous one. I don't know. Maybe I should do this. And then I have Bite Beauty. This is a pretty one, too. Ooh, the dark. Isn't that something? You wouldn't think it would be dark. And that one is Glacé. Right, let's start with the pink, long-lasting one, Dreamer. Okay, I'm going to show you the cat lip. Cine Chandler has asked me for the cat lip. Let me tell you about the cat lip that I named. Okay, it could be a winged lip or a cat lip. We know how to go about making our lips fuller on the top, right? Just go across, right? They say eliminate the Cupid's bow, just go across. Fine. On the top, right? Just go across and you make them bigger. Now, there's another place on your lips that you can make it look bigger. It won't be that obvious, is the corners. And if you, instead of going down, following your lip, like that, follow the lip with a straight line and go outside the lip straight. Now, if I go down, that's that side. But if I go straight, I am bringing that line out. Now, I'll show you with number 15, a little darker, okay? So, I go out there like that. By doing that, it lifts your lip up and makes it fuller. Otherwise, if you go down, just follow your lip is that low. So let's make the cat lip. You can go this way. I can do an eyeliner, and then you have that little bit of real estate right here that you could add to get your lip to look bigger. We must take advantage of it. I know Natalie does this too with her lipstick. So do you see what I did now? I went from here out, straight out, not curved in to follow the lip. And I went from here straight out, which is outside the lip line, and then I bring it in. Now I'm going to put some L'Oreal To Be Treasured over this. I don't know if I will wear this with a mask though, because it's a little sticky. But this will last all day. By doing this, you gave your lip a little more lift, a little more real estate to be covered by lipstick. Just a little bit gives you that more of a pouty look, and not a fake look like too much on the top, but an extension of your lips this way. Okay, instead of my selfie powder, I'm going to use this Blur Powder Packed. Ooh, Eclipse. I got this from Amazon. All right, I'm going to take this other brush by Ducolor. It's a great brush. And I'm going to see if this blurs. Yep, it's blurring. I don't know if you could tell, but I mean, it's an alternative. Okay. We have another lip gloss that we could try too. It's called Shine Shot. When you're wearing a pink or a lavender, this is amazing. Look at this. Did you see that? Wow. Okay. All right, we're just going to let that sit. Okay, we're going to do the Unbeliever Brow by L'Oreal. And today, I'm not going to put powder on. Let's put a little mascara. My purple essence. Now, I find that by putting shadow on the bottom, or putting it on my waterline the way I've told you that I do, it makes my eyes look bigger and more pronounced. Now that's just one coat. Look at that. Wow. My two other favorite mascaras are Too Faced, Damn Girl, and Better Than Sex. And I buy them in the minis so I can toss them out after 3 months. It's cheaper that way. It's maybe $10 or $12. These are my favorite. Boom, one coat. And I tell you, the Essence Purple, I don't know the name exactly, but this one with the puffy paints over here. I love the cap. This is a good front runner. All right, let's do our brows. Okay, I had to turn the fan on, so I'm gonna just mute while I do my eyebrows. You could watch, and I'll put a little music. Here we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's already dry, and it's on for 2 days unless I remove it with oil. This is amazing, and I advise you to Google on YouTube Unbeliever Brow. You'll see that they made this in 2018, so it's nothing new, but it's new to me, so sometimes I'm late to the party. And you see, it's a little light to go where there's no hair. Where there's hair, it's dark. And that is why I have to finish with a pencil. So I have the same pencil, my Brenda Christian. I'm just going to fill in. But I tell you, even though I used the pencil last time, I covered it with the Unbeliever Brow. The whole brow did not move because it was covered. Great for making your pencil stick. If you're a pencil person, just put this on top of your pencil. I mean, to me, that's just worth everything. Even just use this for your tail. I watched great reviews on YouTube about this Unbeliever Brow. Perfect. Okay, I think I'm done. This looks like a lot of makeup, but it's a look. It's a look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the tips. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you so much. Remember, I'm praying for you. Let's join together and pray for the world. Love you all. I'll see you in my next video.